In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make this retro rainbow halter. It's beginner friendly and works up pretty quickly. Here are some terms to know and things to note. For this crochet top, I'm using red heart yarn and hook size H or 5mm. Row 1, chain 3 and 5 double crochet into a magic ring. When you get to the end of the row, pull the tail to close the ring. You should have 6 double crochet in total. Row 2. Chain 3 and double crochet in the same stitch. And you're going to increase in every stitch, which means 2 stitches in every stitch. When you get to the end of the row, you should have 12 double crochets in total. Row 3. Chain 3 and double crochet in the same stitch. Double crochet in the next stitch and increase in the next stitch. Repeat this till the end of the row. When you get to the end of the row, you should have 18 double crochets in total. Row 4. Chain 3 and double crochet in the same stitch. Double crochet in the next 2 stitches and increase in the next stitch. Repeat this to the end of the row. Row 5. Join your next color and chain 3. Double crochet in the same stitch. Now double crochet in the next 3 stitches. And increase in the next stitch. Repeat this to the end of the row. Row 6. Chain 3 and double crochet in the same stitch. Double crochet in the next 4 stitches and increase in the next stitch. Again, you want to repeat this all the way to the end of the row. Continue this to your desired size. Each row you will add 1 stitch in between increases. So I have laid out here for you row 7 through row 17. If you need to add more, just keep adding 1 double crochet in between the increases. Bottom edge row. This part is customizable. I chose to do 1 row of half double crochet, the same color as my outer rainbow row. You can do more rows for extra coverage, or none at all if you prefer the look without a border. Chain 2, and this counts as your first half double crochet. Half double crochet over that same stitch below, and you will make 2 stitches over every stitch on the edge. When you get to the center of the rainbow, make only 1 stitch and then continue down as before. For the next straps, you can either find the center 2 double crochet increase and insert your strap here for a V-neck halter, or you can have the option of attaching to this surrounding 2 double crochet increase, as you can see here. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.